I wanted to show you how to get to assignments in CTLS Learn. I'm going to sign in as if I am your child. And once I'm into his account, all assignments are housed underneath the actual classes. So as an example, they have the danger of a single story, which I assigned today. You're in ELA and then go over to assignments. And there it is right there. Click it and scroll down. All of the necessary things are there. These are the questions that must be answered, and it's going to bring you to this page, and that means that I need him to be logged in. So you're going to put in that same student login, and it's just verifying that he's part of Cobb County School District. And I don't want to stay signed in as him. And then it will take him to the actual assignment, and there it is. I understand that can definitely be annoying. But once it's a single sign-on. So once he's signed on through Office 365, he always is signed on through Office 365. But I do it this way so that I can see that it was his assignment and he submitted it. And that also is a way for me to let you know, hey, look, he's done it. And if he ever logs into this assignment again, it won't let him redo it because he did it once already. So I'm just going to go back to CTLS Learn again, just so you can see. Here is his sign-in. That was the ELA assignment. For math, it's the same thing. Go to assignments. There's all the assignments. Here's the pre-assessment. I put the link right there. And since he's already signed in to Office 365, so it went right to it, okay? I'll go back to CTLS Learn. The other assignment that students have is under homeroom. And that's going to be the project they're working on. Your Name is a Song project, okay? And once he's completed, he'll say submit assignment and it won't show up anymore. But the project that's due tomorrow, there's all the information. When he's done, he'd hit submit response. But that's where you can find assignments. Next week, we will start having assignments in social studies. I think that they're already there, but we just haven't. Tomorrow we'll do the lesson tomorrow. So I hope that's helpful for you.